So one of the first things I noticed after using this cleanser was that the smell is amazing. It felt really good on my skin. It feels really soft and clean. And yeah, I would totally incorporate this into my everyday skincare routine. Skin repair serum. It's really cute, has a cute little dropper, and it smells really good. So let's see how it does on my skin. Okay, so after dropping it on and just rubbing it in, it smells really good. Hopefully make my skin feel good. Alright, so the serum is supposed to be used twice daily, and y'all already know, about to catch this on my face every second of the day. I'm about to be clean as heck. This Clear Skin Revitalizing Spray. It smells just as good as the other stuff, and let's just see how this works. Alright, so smells really good. It feels really revitalizing. Yeah, I don't know, it feels really moisturizing. I'm gonna be using this every day. I'm sorry, like, alright, so overall, I would say I love these products. I urge you guys to go out, just at least, like, you know, test them and go check out Healtop. They have amazing other products. Yeah, hope y'all have a good day, you know.